If this thing continue, we'll be done. Our life will be done. Wherever they descend on, they eat virtually everything. It's a nightmare. It's really a very terrifying moment because in the next probably few months we'll not have rains. And they are moving in their millions from places. This is probably almost like 2,000 hectares of land that are being decimated by these swarms of locusts. You can look. Just look at the trees, they look like birds. It's a nightmare. Well, the first time the locusts came, I've never seen such thing. I've never seen insects in millions, almost covering the sky. So what came to my mind is that we are in for a big trouble as a community. We can't sit down and see these insects, destroying the livelihood of our people. My God.
Tunafukuza tu, sini nyingi basi.
Sasa mnafukuza na nini?
Tunafukuza tu, tuna ready.
Eggs already laying eggs. If these things are not controlled at this time, definitely it will be a double tragedy to the communities living around here. And of course, the coronavirus is now a double-edged pandemic to our people. It spells doom.
This is a disaster, which it will affect not me alone. There's other farm also chewed there, another one there, another one there. In 2 days, all these farms will be finished. There's nothing. This is what we call poverty.